Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Forest theme on piano. This haunting melody, composed by Gabe Castro, is a favorite for many. We will break it down into manageable steps, starting with the right-hand melody. Focus on finding the correct notes and developing a steady rhythm. Remember, patience is key when learning any new piece, so take your time and enjoy the process. For the right hand, the main melody often features a sequence of D-flat, F, E-flat, and C notes. You'll notice the melody jumps between octaves, creating its distinctive sound. Practice these sections repeatedly, ensuring each note is played clearly and with the correct timing. Aim for a fluid motion across the keyboard, connecting the phrases seamlessly. The ecosystem surrounding React Native is expansive, leveraging the vast JavaScript community and thousands of open-source libraries, accelerating development. Xcode, however, provides a deeply integrated environment with Apple's proprietary frameworks and developer tools, offering a cohesive experience. Debugging in React Native can sometimes present unique challenges due to its cross-platform nature. In contrast, Xcode offers highly sophisticated debugging and profiling tools, specifically tailored for optimizing applications running on Apple hardware, ensuring a smooth development process. To truly capture the essence of the Forest theme, focus on dynamics and tempo. A slow, deliberate pace, around 55 beats per minute, is ideal. Play with soft dynamics to create that mysterious, atmospheric feel. Consistent daily practice, even for just 15 minutes, will significantly improve your technique and musicality. Enjoy bringing this beautiful piece to life on your piano.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.